In this video, we will discuss about the bus maintenance records and operational expenses under the transport menu. So, first once we click on the bus maintenance record, a new interface is opened. Here, we can add a new maintenance record. So once we click on it, first we need to select the institute, and then we need to select the bus, and then we need to enter the service date and also the amount, and then entering the vendor name is optional. And then entering the odometer reading in kilometers, even this is optional. So we can also mention the next service due date, and then we can add the description if needed. Here we can also choose the file, which can be a receipt of the service. So now, once all the fields are completely filled, we can just create the new maintenance record. So now this will be displayed under bus maintenance record with the bus number, service date, amount, vendor and odometer reading, and next service due date with receipt also. And we can view the bus maintenance record details here, and we can also view the receipt which is attached. Then we also have the edit option where we can change the required fields if we want to, and then just update it. And we also have the delete bus maintenance record if we don't want to keep the particular maintenance record. And then we also have the filters where we can select it using the institute or the bus, or even by selecting the date. And even we can just filter it out even by using the bus number, vendor or even description. So then next we are moving to the operational expenses. In this, a new interface is opened here. We can create a new operational expenses. So for this, we first need to select the institute, and then select the bus, and also the expense date, and then we can also enter the expense type for which the expenses are made, and then the expense amount we can just enter it. And we can also add the note, but which is optional here. And we can also choose the file, which is receipt. Once all the fields are completely filled, we can just create it. So once it is created, it will be displayed under the bus operational expenses with the bus number, expense date, expense type, amount, notes, receipt, where we can view this also bus operational expense details, and here we can also view the receipt which was attached. And we also have the option to edit, where we can edit any field if it is required and then just update it. We also have the delete option to delete the particular operational expense record if it is not required. And we have filters too, where we can select institute, the bus, and even by filtering it out by date. And we can also search it by bus number and expense type, and include deleted ones. It will show the list of the deleted record also. So now this is all about the bus maintenance and operational expenses process.